This video will show you how to remove the stock intake on all 2008 through 2023 5.7 liter Challengers.
First step of the uninstall here, of course, pop your hood. We're going to remove our engine cover. Now, if your Challenger does not have an engine cover, you can skip over that step, but we want to get that out of the way to get better access to the clamp holding our factory intake to our throttle body, so let's do that first. All right, in order to do that, you're basically just going to lift straight up, pop that out of place, and set it aside. Next step here, we're just going to unplug our temperature sensor. Right here, we're just going to pinch and disconnect. Next up, you want to grab an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver and loosen up the clamp holding your tubing to your throttle body. Next, we're going to use the same 8mm to head over to our air box. There's one 10mm bolt holding that guy in place, so let's get that off. We have one breather line at the back end of our air box that we're just going to pull straight back, just like that. Next up, we can remove the entire air box. I'm going to lift up with my hand here on the resonator tube, just like that, disconnect it from the throttle body, lift straight up on the air box, and set the entire assembly aside.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Challenger, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.